Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out form I-765, also known as the Application for Employment Authorization. So this form is used to request permissions to work legally in the United States while your immigration case is being processed. So first, visit the official USCIS website and download the latest version of form I-765, and you can complete it on your computer or print it and fill it out using a black ink. Next, enter your full legal name, any other names that you have used, your mailing address, and your physical address if it's different. After that, provide your alien registration number, USCIS online account number, and social security information if they apply to you. And then, continue with your parents' names, country of citizenship, place and date of birth, and details about your most recent arrival in the United States. So this includes your I-94 number, passport information, date and place of entry, and current immigration status. After that, enter the correct eligibility category and answer any additional questions required for that category. And next, provide your phone number and email address, then sign and date the form by hand. And finally, gather your supporting documents, review everything carefully, include the correct filing fee if required, and send the application to the USCIS filing address listed on the official website. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I'll see you on the next video.